Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I am so excited to be doing this video. I have a lash try on for you guys. Alright, so for this video I will be trying on 3 pairs of lashes. The lashes are by Pinkzio. They have a lash lifting kit as well that I did a review on. If you have not yet seen that video, I will link it in the iCards above as well as down below in the description bar, so you can check it out after you watch this video. And yeah, so let's talk about the lashes. So I got 3 pairs of lashes. They are different styles to me, you know, based on your whole mood or, you know, your vibe that you're going for. The first pair of lash is, the code for that lash is 3D078. This is what it looks like. Super wispy. It has that little flare vibe going on. You know, I like this pair of lashes. They look pretty cool, and I can't wait to see what they look like on me. The next pair of lashes is in the code D-617. This is what they are looking like. These lashes are so bomb. I really love the look of them, and I think these would actually fit me pretty nicely, and I can't wait to try these on especially. And then we have D-008. Super bomb, super spicy, I would say. These lashes, they're giving me like bad girl vibes. Love it. I can't wait to see myself in these as well. I would say in order of preference, I think my preference for these lashes would be it would be the last one first, which is a D-008, followed by D-617, and the third pair, my least favorite, would be 3D-078. These lashes look pretty good. I feel them. They are super soft, and the quality is pretty good. Alright, so before I get into the try-on of the lashes, I have a discount code for you guys. If you are interested in purchasing any of these lashes, I will give a link down below in my description bar, and also you can use Jordan at checkout for 30% off. 30% is a great steal, guys, especially considering the fact that not many sites or companies give 30% off unless it's like a sale. So the fact that I'm able to get 30% off for you guys is pretty great, and I would really appreciate it if you guys would make a purchase using my discount code. Alright, so I think I'm gonna go in with D-008 first, just because I really love the look of these lashes. They are definitely giving me that vibe, you know. I mean, ladies, if you wear lashes, you know when the lashes give you, you know, like a vibe, like energy. Usually when I do my lashes, I would adjust them. I would cut the strap off, but because I am just doing this video for you guys as a try on, I'm actually not gonna do that. So these lashes, they have a little bit of glue on them that they come pre-packaged in the box with. I think I'm going to use that as my base to add on the lashes, so I don't have to actually use like glue to put them on. So I'm just grabbing this pair of tweezers, and I'm just going to pop them on to my lashes so you guys can see what they look like. So guys, I've got bad news. I don't think this is gonna work. I think I'm gonna actually have to adjust them and put on lash glue to try them on. So let me just go ahead and make these adjustments. So when I am adjusting my lashes, I'm not gonna show each and every one of them on camera how I adjust them. I'm just gonna try them on, but for the first pair I will definitely show you guys what I do. So I usually put my lash on, well, first I like to like give them a little like twist to like straighten them out just a little bit, so I can actually get the length, the correct length of my lashes. Then I go in placing them from the inner corner to the outer corner of my eye, just to see like what I need to cut off. All right, so I just need to take a small section off. I usually get my little scissors and I cut off this excess first. You want to always make sure that you cut off the excess from your lashes, and then the little piece that I need to take off, I'm just gonna go in with my scissors and cut that piece off. Now, some people would throw this piece away. I don't do that. What I usually do is get my glue. I usually put some glue on the end of the lash band right here on the outer section. Not a lot, just a little bit. And then I take the piece that I just cut off and I put it on the end of that. Use my tweezer and I squeeze it together like this, blow on it a little bit to let it dry before I actually put it on. All right, so I'm going to measure the other lash off camera, do the same adjustment, and then we can try these on. All right guys, so I'm not trying to like stick the lashes on too much because this is just a try on video. So I'm just gonna show you guys what it looks like. This one isn't on properly. I'm just gonna take this one off, but you can see what the first one looks like. This one, it went on pretty good. I didn't glue it down really. I have these lash adhesive that I got from a review that I did a few months ago. It's a lash kit by Cicely, which is on Amazon. If you did not see that video, I will link it in the iCards above. But they came with 2 adhesive for their lashes. One is clear, one is black. So I just put some on one of these to put the lash on temporarily, but it worked. It put the lash on. Yo, do you see these lashes? These are like giving me like extra vibes, like sis, who are you? You know, these are like extra vibes. Yo. All right, on to the next one. I'm gonna take this off. We're gonna be doing D-617 next, and I'm just gonna do the same thing. I'm gonna do one eye so you can see, and then probably like the final pair I'll just put on both of those so you can, you know, see. But I just want to try these on for you guys. So this is the second pair of lash. Well, I shouldn't say pair, but it's really the pair, but I just have on one if we're gonna be technical. I love this as well. This is you know, you can see it in my eyes that I really love this. This is very nice. So as I said, I knew I would love these two because from the minute I opened the box and I saw them, I was like, yes, this is me. All right, on to the final pair. Given that this is my final pair, I thought it would be only right that I put it on for you guys on camera. Okay guys, that is it. I like to use my fingers to go in and adjust my lashes to ensure that the lash band is sitting directly on my lash line, because if the lashes isn't sitting on your lash line, then it will lift. All right, so this is the final pair of lash, and I think overall these lashes, they look great. I love the flare of them, and they are also pretty affordable. So again guys, if you are interested in purchasing these lashes or any of the lashes by Pinkzio, I will leave a link down in the description bar for you guys to go onto their website, and make sure when you're at checkout to put in Jordan to save 30% off your purchase. Okay, Jordan, Jordan, super easy. All right, So that is it for today's video. I want to thank you guys so much for being here with me while I try on lashes. If you are into lashes, thank you for watching. If you aren't into lashes, be sure to share this video with someone who is interested in lashes. I also did a video of me perming my lashes by the same company, Pinkzio. If you have not yet, Pinkzio I should say. If you have not yet seen that video, I will leave a link in the iCards above as well as in the description bar down below, so you can check that out. And as always guys, don't forget to subscribe if you have not yet subscribed. Enable all post notifications if you have not done so already. Leave me a comment as to which pair of lashes are your favorite from the three, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys next time. Bye.